Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So today we will solve our day 8 challenge, that is make the string greater, and it is a easy level question. So before moving towards our next question, if you haven't accessed the playlist, access it and share with your friends. And if you like the video, then then like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's begin with our next question. So I will make you understand what it is saying. So this is a stack question. How? Because here it is given that we have a string of lower and upper we have a string of lower and upper case letter. So इसमें हमें दिया गया है कि हमारे पास एक स्ट्रिंग है और उस स्ट्रिंग को हमें गुड बनाने के लिए हमें दो एडजेसेंट कैरेक्टर को चूज करना होगा जो सेम होंगे, बट उनका जो केस है वो डिफरेंट होगा। एक अगर लोअर केस होगा तो दूसरा अपर केस होगा, अगर दूसरा अपर केस है तो पहला लोअर केस होगा। तो अगर हमें ऐसा एडजेसेंट पेयर मिलता है तो हमें उसे रिमूव करते जाना है, तब तक हमें रिमूव करना है जब तक हमारी स्ट्रिंग में कोई भी ऐसा एडजेसेंट पेयर ना मिले जो जिसमें कैरेक्टर सेम हो और उनका केस डिफरेंट हो। एग्जाम्पल, हेयर ई एन ई Here E and E are both are same, but their case is different. So when we remove it, then it become lead code. And when I choose this pair, then also it become lead code. So ultimately both leads to me lead code. And if we have A, B, B, A, C, so first we will find B, A, B, B, and B, B are the same character, but their case is different. So we will remove it. Then after removing, we will have A and A. This is also same, but case is different. Now A will also be removed. Now we have a CC. This is also same, so we will remove it as well. So our last string is an empty string, and empty string is considered as a good string. Here it is given that. So how we will solve it? So let's begin. Assume that we have a string as a b b c c. So we will take the stack. So this is our stack. Okay. So first I will insert here a, then I will, when I'm going to insert a here, okay, when I'm going to insert a here, so that's why I have write it here as a dotted. When I'm going to insert here, so first I will check to my previous value whether both are equal. If both are equal, then we will check that uh, last element in the stack, okay, uh, means I'm not going to write very much. I will tell you the simple way. If both are equal, then what we need to check? We need to check uh, the last element in the stack is lower, and current element is in upper, or last element in the stack is in upper case and current element is in lower case. So what it means, assume we have a and I'm going to insert a. So first I will check both are equal. Yes, both are equal. So last element in the stack is lower. Yes, it is lower, and current element is in upper, because when we are considering that when both element are different in when both element are different in case, then we need to remove it. So current element is in uppercase. No, it is also lower. Okay, not a problem. So I will come here. This is first condition. Okay, so this is first condition. This is first condition. Now this is second condition. We will check our last element in the stack is in upper. No. So this is also wrong. This is, so if this is true, then we have an and symbol, and inside this we have a two condition. So this become also false, this become also false, so this is completely become false. Okay, so we will insert our, so we will insert A here. Now we will insert B and we will again check whether the current element is equals to the last inserted element in the stack. No, it is false. Now when we are going to insert B, okay, when we are going to insert B, so first we will check uh, these three condition. So let's again check these three condition. So it will compare the previous one, both are equal, yes, or I will say true, and the last inserted element in the stack is lower and current element is in upper, yes, so this is true as well. And or we have a or symbol, so this is false. So this is completely true, true and true, it will give us true. Okay, so we will pop it out because we haven't inserted B, so we will pop it out B. Now we will insert C. Now for going inserted capital C, we will compare the same thing. So so both are equal, yes, so last inserted element is true, yes, and and the last inserted element is in uppercase and current element is lowercase, no, it is false, so this is also true, so we'll pop it out. And our string contains only A, and this is a good string. Okay, this is good string. I hope this is clear. Let's take one more example. We will have as a b c d e f, capital F. Okay, so first we will insert here our capital A, but before inserting small a we will check both are equal, true, and the last inserted element in the stack is in capital letter and current element is in small letter, false, or the last inserted element is in capital letter and current element is in small letter, true, so this will give me true. Now I will pop the A from it, and now we will insert B. Now we will compare the previous one, no it is not equal, we will compare the previous one, no it is not equal, we will compare the previous one, it is not equal, we will compare the previous one, it is not equal. but but after having B, C, D, E, now when we insert F, we will compare the previous letter, it is also not equal. Now when we are going to insert F here, then we will compare the previous one, both are equal, true, and the last inserted element is in lowercase and current element is in uppercase, true, or the last inserted element is in capital letter or the current element is in small, false. So true and true will give you the true, so this will also pop. Now our stack only contains B, C, D, E. Now this is our stack and this is our resultant string as well. I hope this is clear. Let's try to let's try to move on the coding part. Okay, so first what we need to take, we need to take so we will run the while. So for taking the while we need to take a counter, so I'm taking here I. So I is equals to 0. Now I is less than s. Okay, this is done. This is for the this is for traversing the string. Now we will move the loop. Now we need to take the stack. Now we need to do what, if our stack does not equals to empty. Okay, so we need to pop until our stack is not empty. And I have told to you the two condition. The last inserted element in the stack -1. So I will change for comparing both are equal. If I'm saying small a is equals to capital A, is it equal? No, it is not equal. So I need to change whether in uppercase both the letter, whether in is in lowercase. So I am saying here to lower. I'm correct. डॉट लोअर होता है, डॉट लोअर एंड इज इक्वल्स टू करंट एलिमेंट डॉट लोअर। क्या ये लोअर, अब मैंने दोनों को लोअर में चेंज कर दिया है। सो अगर दोनों इक्वल रहेंगे, अगर अगर वन कैपिटल वन स्मॉल है तो दोनों स्मॉल में चेंज हो जाएंगे और इट विल गिव अस 2। नाउ वी हैव वन कंडीशन and inside we have a two condition. Okay, I hope this is clear. So the first condition is if our stack of -1 is lower and s of I is upper. Okay, is lower method. Or we have a second condition, if our stack of, so I will copy the same thing and I will change it to, if our stack of I is upper and our current element is in lower. Okay, so this is, I hope this is clear. We need to pop it out until our stack does not get empty, और हमें फिर दोनों एलिमेंट को कंपेयर करना है, मे बी एक स्मॉल हो सकता है दूसरा कैपिटल हो सकता है। सो वो हमें फॉल्स देगा, इसलिए हमने दोनों को हमने सेम केस में कन्वर्ट कर लिया है। आप इसे यहाँ पर अपर भी ले सकते हैं, मैंने यहाँ पर लोअर लिया हुआ है। फिर अगर दोनों इक्वल है तो क्या कंडीशन हो सकती है, पहला अपर हो दूसरा लोअर हो, दूसरा लोअर हो पहला अपर हो। तो अगर पहला लोअर है और दूसरा अपर है तो उसके लिए ये कंडीशन है, अगर पहला अपर है और दूसरा लोअर है तो उसके लिए ये कंडीशन है। So now we need to pop it out. Okay, and we need to increment our counter. So if our I is less than s, then we need to only insert stack dot append current of I. So that's it, we need to do only. Now we need to return the string, so I will just change the stack to my string. Now maybe you are thinking that why I'm increasing here I, why I have taken this condition, why I am changing this condition. Assume that I have traversed L, I have traversed E. When I'm going to traverse E, so I will see the previous stacked element, that is E, and both are equal. I have popped. Now I need to move in the in the next part. In the next part, so I do not want to insert the E. So because I am right now I'm on the E, so after popping I will be still at the second index. So for that I have written here I plus 1. So I plus 1 will move me to small e, and our if I is less than length of s, then we need to append. Now how this condition will come into picture, when I have a dd here, I have a d and capital D here, so I have popped the capital D instead of small e, we have a capital D. I have popped the capital D, I have popped the small d, then I am on the last index. When I move toward the next step, means we have reached towards the, we have reached to the, we are going out of the limit. So for restricting this I have written this condition. Okay, so I hope you understood guys that why I have written here I less than s, and why I'm incrementing I, and why is it equals, why is it necessary. So after popping this one, I have inserted e here with the help of this one. Then after inserting e, I need to move towards the next pointer. So that's why I have written here I plus 1, so that I will move towards the next one. So for next one it will check again the previous two condition for small e and small e. So let's try to first run it. Invalid syntax, I have written here triple, so it is also wrong, triple. So I is less than s, stack not empty, stack of -1 lower is equals to stack lower, and stack of -1 is lower, and stack of, and s of I is upper, and if stack of I is upper, then current should be lower. Okay, if it is the case, stack does not equals to empty. Okay, I is less than s, and our stack dot lower is equals to, so it is giving me the same thing. So let's print it, why it is giving me error, because I'm changing to lowercase both, so this will give me the true for list out of the index. Okay, so so it will come here and it will check I less than equals to s, then I will append the stack, Then I will again go here. Let's print. Let's print the stack only. Stack. Hmm. So stack data become stack lower is equals to stack of -1 is lower. So L E, then we have again E. I need to write here stack, not S. That's why the logic is correct, but I'm returning the wrong value. So I hope this will run. So let's try to submit it. So I hope this will, yeah. So this has been submitted as well. Now what is the time complexity and space complexity? So we are traversing our string only once. So this is big of n time complexity, and we have taken the stack for storing the values of string. So this is also big of n extra space. So big of n space time complexity and big of n extra space. I hope you have understood, guys. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and access the playlist. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care and